Alright, let's do another quick update for Bitcoin. This is the daily chart, and the data I have is to 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 10th. Bitcoin is looking really bad right now. It is down about over 2% and struggling to stay above 41,000. A couple days ago, we had this really nice spinning top. Indicates buying support or a potential for this reversal. Yesterday, we had another spinning top. Looks good, yes, but it also indicates that the seller is not giving up yet. And that is why we are seeing the price retracing. In order to get a better understanding of how this spinning top works, we have to look at the detailed chart. So let's take a quick look at the hourly chart. Now, Bitcoin was trending down following this downward channel. A couple of days ago, it opened right at this point. And then buyer pushed the price up. At this point, it broke out of this downward channel. But the minute it tested the high of the day, it got rejected. Then the price pulled back, tested prior low, bounced up, and then buyer pretty much took control. You see, it's heavy buying volume. Price ran up and was able to close higher than the opening. So that gave us the first spinning top. Yesterday we had another spinning top, but the story is a little bit different. Bitcoin opened at this point. Buyer drove the price up. The minute it tests yesterday's high, it got rejected. Found support at this level. Buyer again took control, drove the price all the way up, retested this prior high at 42.7. But at this point, seller stepped in. If you remember in the video that I did yesterday, I mentioned that around this area, when we have this major drop, volume pick up drastically. So there would still be buyer waiting at this level. Just wait for the price to run up so they can dump. And that's exactly what happened. Seller pretty much stepped in, took over. They drove the price down. Bitcoin ended up closing lower than the prior high, but it's still higher than the opening. So that gave us another spinning top that looks like this. The prior spinning top was something like this. So what this telling us is the first spinning top gave us the idea that buyers are guarding the price at 40,500. So this is the line in the sand for the buyers. And this here, the spinning top for yesterday, gave us the idea that right at 42.7 is definitely the line in the sand for the seller. The seller will guard to prevent the price from crossover this, and the buyer will guard to prevent the price from breaking down. Today, when the market opened, early during the trading session, we see that buyer tried to drive the price up. But the minute the price hit 42,200, which is the high of the day that Bitcoin established the first spinning top, seller step in. They drove the price down. This is what we have right now. Seller is still very much in control. Sell volume is definitely up. They are definitely going to try to apply more selling pressure and cause a breakdown. My gut instinct is buyer will step in to defend this 40,500 and then it would slowly bounce up. Like I said yesterday, we expect a lot of volatility within the next few days. But eventually, Bitcoin will cross over the 42.7 and begin the uptrend. Go back to the daily chart. This thing is definitely looking scary right now. But I still believe that buyer would step in and defend the line. I still expect the price bounce up. And quarter one would be a good quarter for Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin. That's it for this video. And don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.